Hey guys, AM&C Tech here again. This is the second part of the repair that I did on the electric servo motor for the valves, the vents, the flapper valves that open and close to channel air, whether through the defrost or through the feed or right in front of you. So this is the plastic arm I was telling you guys about earlier. So what I did, this is the repair. As you can see, I carved a groove along the perimeter of the plastic arm, and I essentially installed a safety wire used in aviation. You could get, if you know anybody who was in aviation, you could get, or I don't know if you could get it yourself. These are the safety wire pliers that you use it. And what I did, I cinched it. I cinched it so that it would close. And obviously what I did first is clean the groove and put some cement glue in it. I cinched it with the safety wire. And then what I did is I installed the 3M aluminum tape, and I put essentially an aluminum tape shim around the hexagon gear, so that when this goes on here like this, it needs to be nice and snug. Like, let's see, like so. So you'll see now, it does not wiggle like it used to. See it? Now it's firm. So now we're gonna put this baby back in. Hopefully, it'll work. Now the reason why I didn't put the safety wire along this circumference here is because this part here actually spins inside of that area that I showed you in the other video, and we want to make sure that that can fit in there. Now obviously, as you can see, this is slightly expanded, so hopefully it'll fit. If not, we'll have to remove that aluminum shim and put a smaller one in there. Okay guys, well, let's see how this works. I'll let you know later.